Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to remove the side mirror on a 2014 Toyota Corolla. I'm going to start by removing the tweeter first, just pry on the side and it comes right out. Next I'll remove the door panel to get to the electrical connector for the mirror. For detailed instructions, check out my door panel removal video. I'll have it linked up in the cards. Now the door panel's off, let's disconnect the electrical connector. Just push on the release tab and pull it out. On the side of the mirror, there are two clips holding the weather stripping to the mirror. Instead of removing the clips, I'm going to pull the weather stripping off the clip just to make sure that I don't break the clip. The clips can be removed just by pulling on them, but make sure to pull gently because they're very delicate. Now I'm going to remove the three 10mm bolts, and I'm using a 10mm socket and wrench to remove them. I'll start by removing the two bottom bolts completely, and I'm just going to leave the top bolt in to make sure the mirror doesn't fall down. So the mirror is pretty loose now. I'm going to make sure to hold it so it doesn't fall out, and I'm going to unscrew the last bolt. And now there's one final tab holding it in. Press it down, and the mirror is out. In case you need a new mirror, make sure to check out the links down in the video description, and I'm going to put the part numbers there as well. To reinstall it, line up the guides on the mirror and push it in. And now I'll start all the bolts by hand. It's very important the bolts are started by hand to make sure that they line up with the threads. If they're not lined up, they can get cross-threaded and the plastic threads can easily get damaged. So be sure to start them by hand and that the threads are lined up. I'll tighten them lightly with the wrench first. And I'm going to torque them down now to 80 inch-pounds, which is about 6.5 foot-pounds. Make sure not to over-tighten because they're screwing into plastic, so the plastic can get damaged if it's tightened too hard. Reconnect the electrical connector. The tweeter wire was underneath it, so I'm going to route it back the same way and push it back in. Now I'll put the door panel back on. And finally, I'll put the weather stripping back over the clips. If you like this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. It really helps out my channel. And consider subscribing. Thanks for watching.